visible to all of you? My colleague Jatin can acknowledge this. Is it visible?
Yes, yes sir.
Thank you so much, Jatin. Now we are going to see that how effectively you can download the teacher resource kit in your system. There are several steps, but those are very, very easy. If you will receive the links, definitely you will be able to download it within few minutes only. Before I tell you the step-by-step process of TRK, how you can use it, what all components that it contains, I'll talk about the whole package of the TRK. The package contains the PDF of the series, the PDF of the book. So now, since you are teaching through online, PDF, helps you a lot in order to teach your students effectively. So the PDF of the main course book has been given in the English channel series. We also have animated tutorials. So whatever is there in the book, the chapters, the prose, poetry are animated. We also have interactive exercise for quick recapitulation, for making online classes more interactive and engaging. We all have given interactive exercises, followed by teacher's manual PDF as well. Of course, you all have planned lessons effectively. These teachers' manuals are based on our author's perspective. So we all have given lesson plans. There are a lot of components. I'll show you one by one. So teacher's manual PDF is also there. And we have audio recording to improve the pronunciation, to improve listening skills, pace, pitch, tone, intonation. These all factors are very, very important in order to speak, and also listening skills are also enhanced. And then we have test generator. Within 5 minutes, you can generate worksheets, sample test papers through these test generators. Similarly, we have a PDF of the series for the Grammarite series as well in the TRK. We also have animated tutorials, followed by interactive exercises for the Grammarite as well. Then we have teacher's manual for the same. Now, this is a fantastic feature, additional worksheets. This is we have given to practice more and more, because grammar requires a lot of practice. So we have given additional worksheets which are over and above the book-based exercises. And then we have test generator for the Grammarite as well. So these are the package, these are the components available in the teacher's resource kit for both the series. And one by one, I'll quickly show you how to first of all download these this TRK and how effectively then you can use it in your online or going forward offline classes. So first step is, you must have received links from our sales managers like this, which is seen to you at this point of time. So similarly, these links for both the series, Grammarite and the English channel, Dropbox links are available, and they need a system or a laptop to download and run. So you'll be of course downloading in a laptop or in a system, in a PC. So once you click on this link, after clicking on this link, it will open Mozilla Firefox browser by default, and you can see that there is a down arrow sign. I'm sure you observe this down arrow sign here. Once you will see this sign, you just need to click on this sign. Post clicking, you will get two options. One is save to my Dropbox, another is direct download. I request all of you to please click on direct download option only, so that it will be downloaded in your system. And once you click on it, it will ask you to either open it after downloading or save it in the C drive or any desired folder. So you click on the save file option, and once you click on save file and you click on OK, post which you will see a notification on this tab, and it will show you the progress depending on your network strength and network speed. It will be downloaded very soon, and once you will download it, you just need to go to that respective folder. Generally it is saved in C drive, and in the downloaded folder you will visit and you will take that zip file, you will copy and you will paste it into the respective folder wherever you want to save it and wherever there is a space in your laptop or in the system. It is advised to make a specific folder so that you can remember it and then you can operate it from there only. So Now the thing is, till now you have downloaded a zip file. Post downloading and copying and pasting it at any space, at any place, you will just click right on this folder, this zip folder. You will click right on that, where you will get an option of extract here, and once you click on extract here, you will see that the file will start getting extracted from that zip file, and then the respective folder will be made or at the same place, because you are clicking on extract here. Once you will get that folder, like you can see at this point of time, click on that folder, double click, and as you double click on it, you will find two options. One is data and another is start.bat. I request all of you to please use start.bat. Just click double on that and it will automatically take you to the home page of the teacher resource kit, which looks like this in front of you. So these are the simple steps. I'm going to repeat it again. I'm going to take you to the first slide again to repeat and to make you understand how you can download it effectively, and you can understand it effectively. In case you have any query, no problem, we are all here for your support. Very, very good evening to all respected educationists. Well, my name is Saurabh Beniwal and I am from Product Management and Marketing at Indianica Learning Private Limited. And we express our sincerest gratitude. Thank you to all of you for getting some time from your busy schedule today to attend this exclusive webinar on the Teacher Resource Kit for our two premium series, two flagship products. One is the English channel, which is the main course book, and another is the Grammarite for grammar. Well, I hope you all are safe. You are keeping all safety measures. Your family members are also safe. And I pray that your family members and you will always be safe and happy. Today, we're going to have a session on exclusively on the Teacher Resource Kit, which is one of the fantastic elements nowadays, since online education has become a norm and everyone is teaching through online platforms. So how effectively you can teach through online Teacher Resource Kit, that is, and I'm going to brief you today. Before we start, as you all know, English is one of the most used languages in the world. And if you include people who speak it as a second language, an estimated 2 billion people approximately worldwide speak English. At Indianica Learning, our mission is to enrich the experiences of all the learners that we connect with. In keeping with the same, we design products that meet the current needs of the learners, and our ELT learning solutions are also designed to cater to the learning needs of students and at the same time assist teachers in teaching the subject. The Teacher Resource Kit for our ELT curriculum solutions have been designed to help teachers in making English learning interactive, easy and fun. In the current scenario, online classes have become the norm, and the challenge is to make online classes interactive and engaging. Our Teacher Resource Kit has been designed keeping these challenges in mind, and today I'll be showing you the many features for the same and how they will help you engage better in your online classes. Well, before we start, and I'll showcase you the real. So there in the animated tutorial, you can see the video plus audio. But if you want them to only focus on the audio by just closing their eyes or maybe just to, enhance their listening skills, you must be conducting some ASL based activities. So for all those, there are pros audio given. As soon as you click on it, you can play that audio file of the whole chapter. You can pause it at any time, you can ask question and then you can resume it as well. So for reference, I'll just play that say it right feature in front of
me. A. Listen to and say these words aloud. Notice the sound of the letters in color. I. Nice. Kind. Sight. Quite. Dine. Find. Inside.
So here children are getting opportunity to learn the correct pronunciation of a particular word, and they can enhance their speaking skills. Also they can enhance their listening skills with this audio recording feature. So audio recording for all the chapter, being it in the main course book as well as the literature reader, are given here. You can make the best use of it and you can show it and teach it through this feature as well. And last but not the least in the English channel is the test generator. Now if I ask
learning, knowledge beyond horizons.
Available online in the YouTube or any other particular space, those links are given here. You can just copy and play it in the YouTube, which will definitely give an add-on which will help the student to understand this particular chapter effectively. So all those links are also given. Now not only the main course book lesson plan we have given here, we have also given here the literature lesson plans. So those who have prescribed our literature series as well along with the main course book, lesson planning for that is also given in the same teacher manual, followed by the answer keys. All the answers of the book's questions of the main course book as well as the literature reader are given here in the teacher's manual, followed by a very, very important feature which is additional questions for assessments. Though we have given enough questions in the main course book as well, but in case you are looking for additional questions related to listening, speaking, reading, writing, vocabulary, grammar, and then main course book based, chapter based, literature based questions, all those questions with the answers then and there. As you can see that question is given here and then and there answer is also given here. So all those questions are there, additional questions over and above the book's exercises. So let's suppose you want to create an assessment, you want to create a worksheet. So you just copy questions from here, paste it into the, I'll show you one of the feature which is test generator, how you can easily make a question paper by selecting books questions, and then you can generate it in 5 minutes, whether it's a worksheet or it's a sample test or it's a test paper with marks or without marks. And you can add these questions there as well effectively. So these are the components available in the teacher's manual. I'll just repeat. It contains, every teacher manual starts with the teaching methodology, which is required to be used in the while teaching English channel. Then there are common classroom management techniques are also given in the teacher's manual, followed by the detailed table of content and then lesson plans. Every lesson plan is very, very comprehensive, very well given, and each and every component is very well taken by our team. Then we have separate lesson plan for the literature reader as well, followed by answer keys of the main course book as well as literature reader. And then for extra practice, we have given you additional questions as well. In each and every class, you will see if you have received the hard copy of it, then you can see there, and soft copy is there in the TRK as well. Now, this is the teacher's manual. If you have understood it, I request you to please raise your hand and do let me know. Oh my goodness, now I can see that yes, people are raising their hand. And once you will receive this, like if you have not received that link, you can either contact the respected sales manager of your area. Otherwise, at the end of the session, I'll share an email ID with you. I request all of you to please mention ILP app is the in-house product of Indianica Learning, and it allows your children, your students, to watch the animations, use the interactive exercises to understand whatever they're supposed to, and to create and to enhance the interest level towards learning English language. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of downloading the ILP app through Play Store or App Store in the iOS or Play Store in the Android. How you can effectively download that, and then after downloading, how you can use it. So what you need to do, you need to visit Play Store and App Store. I request all of you to please download this app, and once you download it, once you install it, you will see that you can see the logo of ILP app. So you'll get a logo. Once you type ILP, India Learn and Play, you will get the same logo. Use this to download, and it will be downloaded very soon. And once you download, you will open it. It will ask you whether you are a student or teacher. So you will always select teacher. There is some difference between teacher login, and teachers will get some edge. And if a student is there, then they'll log in as a student. Now you will put some details like your name, school name, email ID, mobile number, and there is an option of school search. As soon as you click on school name, you touch on school name. So here is a school search. So we have put a database of all our user schools, and once you will type your school, you will get that school here in the school list. You will select your school, email ID, mobile number, password. You will create a password, confirm it, and then you will generate it. The mobile number which you are going to put, once you submit it, you will receive an instant OTP on that mobile number, a 6-digit OTP. As you can see that I have taken a snapshot wherein it is asking for the OTP, as well as just on the top you can see that a message has come. Then and there that it will show you the respective series we have, because you have chosen, you have already filtered the board as well as class. So for that respective class and for that respective board, whatever series we have in that respective subject, it will be shown like this. In the next snapshot you can see. Now for CBSE English we have series. So as soon as you click on English channel, also your students, for students as well it is same, the feature is same. English channel, they will see the chapters list here. All the chapters. So let's suppose in class 4, the very first chapter is Crime Never Pays. As soon as they hit this button, they'll press this, they will see that the animation starts playing. They can look at the animations. In between there are interactive exercises. They can play interactive exercises, and then they can understand the concept as well. Even if some of you are operating on... Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Yeah, now I can see that how effectively you are able to understand these concepts. And of course, those who are teaching class 3 English channel, they have taught this. They have taught these chapters. They must be knowing it effectively. So it is the Mitty to Mama Mouse. And similarly, you'll answer the second question. Okay. Well, I don't think they like us. I'm sure you must be having the answer of it. And similarly, you'll give the answer of other, and you'll give the answer of... Your students will give the answer of these questions, and you are at the another side, and you are just understanding how much they have. Now, whatever the answer they are giving, whether it's correct or incorrect, you just click on submit to show them how many answers given by them are correct and how many of them are incorrect. Red color will show that it is incorrect, and if there is no, if it is black, then it is absolutely correct. It will give them 2 attempts, they can correct them, and then after that it will show the correct answer to them as well. So this is the way with which you can keep their interactivity. So basically interactive exercises are there to make learning fun, motivate students, and help them to pay attention and stay focused. That is the reason these interactive exercises are designed and given as a part of teacher resource kit as well. So far what we have done is we have done a teacher's manual, animated tutorials, course book, and one of the component of interactive exercise I again want to show you. There are some other interactive exercises in which play it for a few seconds to give you a clear idea.
Listening text. Bluebell, Your birthday cake has arrived. It's a big one.
This is lovely. I also like the blue and white icing.
I am going to keep it in Grandma's bedroom so the mice cannot eat it.
I am so excited. I can't wait to cut it.
You shall cut the cake tomorrow at 6 o'clock.
So now the first,
My friends will love this cake.
the first question is, Bluebell's birthday cake is small or large? Quickly. Thank you so much. Thank you. I got an answer. Thank you. Now the cake has white and blue or blue and pink? Icing. Yes. White and pink. White and blue. Okay. So white and blue. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. I can see the comments. I can see the comments on the chat option. Basis on that only I am putting the answers here. Mother is going to keep the cake in grandma's bedroom or the kitchen? Thank you. Thank you. I've got an answer. Grandma's bedroom. Bluebell will cut the cake at 6 p.m. or 8 p.m. Thank you. You got an answer. And Bluebell think her friends will like the cake or will not like the cake? Like the cake, yes. And then I submit it. And as you can see, well done. That's absolutely correct. All the answers are correct. So these are the ways in which you can interact with your children. You can, increase their and enhance their curiosity to learn something new. And you can effectively and wonderfully take your online classes. I'm sure you are taking it wonderfully. Schools are closed, schooling are not, because of all of you, and you're doing fantastic job. So we, at Indianica are thankful to all of you for keeping the momentum and the wavelength of, education. Because of pandemic, education was not disturbed, and because of all of you, you all have been taking so much, hard work and, taking all the steps in order to keep the children learning the components without any loss. So that's the best sign and the best thing that you all are doing. Now, post-interactive exercises, we also use Q&A feature. Q&A, you must be having a Q&A feature. Please use this. One teacher is asking that if we have Microsoft Teams, there is no annotation tool. Ma'am, don't wait for, if you can't see that annotation tool, because Microsoft Teams also has certain different subscriptions. So if you have purchase the very good subscription of that, then you will get the annotation tool feature there. But let's suppose if you do not have the annotation tool, you have Microsoft Paint in your system. Why don't you use that? So what you do, once you share your screen, use Microsoft Paint. Once you open that Paint, you can take a screenshot of the respective PDF which is open in front of you. There are some shortkeys. In my laptop it is function plus print screen feature. Similarly, you also find out in your laptop which feature takes this screenshot. You will take a screenshot, put it into Paint, and then you can highlight, you can add, you can delete. What I'm gonna put my video on now. So just okay, now I can see. If you have any question, please, my colleague is also there with me, Jatin. So he's also addressing to the questions. Someone is asking, is it free? Ma'am, it is complimentary along with the main course book. So the school, if they opt for our English channel series as well as the Grammarite series, it is complimentary with that series. Now I'm just looking at the questions. Yes, so I'm gonna, you must have received emails from us. I request you to please note an email ID. It is very simple, marketing@indianica.com. Marketing@indianica.com. Use this email ID to ask your question. If you have, let's say, if you have requirement of the link, there are two ways. Either you can consult with the respected sales manager of your area, or you can write to us through marketing@indianica.com. Please do not forget to mention your name, your school name, your city and state. And then our team will respond on that and will share the respected links with all of you of the English. And what link, which series link is required, like for English channel and for the grammar act. So accordingly, you please do let us know. It is it will be running on this system only. It can't be running on the mobile device. For mobile, I have already shown you ILP app, so you can you make the best use of that. But the TRK will be accessible and will be running on the laptop or any desktop. No specific requirement is there. We already inbuilt the necessary softwares in the package only. So as soon as you download the package, all that respective software will be by default downloaded. So you don't need to worry about that. I'll just show you. Okay, I'll just show you the screenshot of wherein the mail ID is written. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. I hope the presentation is visible to all of you. Jatin? marketing@indianica.com. marketing@indianica.com. Alright? So you can just note it and you can send your query in case you have. Post this call, you will receive a link which is a feedback link. I request all of you to please give your precious feedback to us to improve further into this, and it will take only 2 minutes to take that feedback. Use that link. As soon as you end it, you will receive a link. Please give the feedback. In case you have any question, I'm here for a few minutes. You can ask your question using Q&A feature, and I'm going to answer those questions. As well as if you have something, if you require something, you can use that mail ID, or you can consult to the respected sales manager to get that link as well. So first you will click on add to list. You can see this add to list feature here. You will click on this add to list, and here you just have to preview it. You have to just see whether all these questions are given, and you want to assign 3 marks to this picture based question. So from here you can assign 3 marks, and then you will go on the preview. As soon as you click on preview, you will see that the format is shown to you. There are 3 instructions which you can put manually, like all questions are compulsory. Write neat and clean, or whatever instruction you want to give. You can write 3 instructions here. Now there is an option, like you can see the questions selected here. If you want to take one printout for your reference with answers, so you just click on with answer. You will see that the respective answer of that question is just given below that. You take one printout with answer, so that once you start checking that, you don't have to refer to the book again and again. You just take it, and then you hide the answer with without answer feature. And now I am exporting it to Word live in front of you to show you in realistic manner how it is visible. I am just opening it, and I'll show you. We'll take, if it is okay, I think it is. Let me just share the whole screen. So I'm exporting it to Word now. Now it will take few seconds to process the Word file, and here you see the just above the school there will be a school logo. That is why this space is given here, and then there are 3 instructions. The same format of the question paper is in front of you, with pictures, without pictures, different types of questions. Here, what you can do, that the questions which I've shown you, additional questions in the teacher's manual, you can also copy those questions. Once it is exported into Word, Then if you want to modify this, let's say you want to delete some questions, you want to add or you want to change the language, you want to add some new questions into this, anything you want to do, just do it here, edit it, and then take a printout, distribute it to the students. So these all technologies, these all things are given. Test generator which saves time, of a teacher, and you can dedicate that time for quality teaching, not into these, question paper and other things. So these are the components of the English channel series. All the instructions are given just behind. When Seneco Pronounce is written, the basic features of Seneco Pronounce are written, and then there are downloading steps are also given. Step 1, you need to download an installer file. Then there is a link given. You just need to write the same link in the system, and then you will access that. And then there is a specific code also given. You need to scratch that code in order to activate that license as well. License is valid for 1 year. Now, this is a Seneco Pronounce software which allows a student to understand the correct pronunciation of any word, letter, sentence. It is, if you are taking any sentence from any particular place, let's say if you are teaching a chapter and you want to copy a whole paragraph of a book and you want to paste here, you can do that. Even you want to write one sentence and you want to type that so that you can make students listen to the correct pronunciation of that, you can do that. One word, one letter, or one sentence. Like I'm writing, I am taking. So I'm just writing one sentence here. So let's suppose I just select now and I click on listen. Just listen to this.
Now.
Jatin, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Right.
Correct. Now, if you want to show, as soon as you click on practice, it will take few seconds. And there you will see that just below the respective word, there is a phonetic symbol is also given. So those who are very, very good, the children, the students who are very good at identifying the phonetic symbols, they can, identify and they can, learn from here as well. Now, first I will listen to the correct pronunciation of the same sentence by clicking on the listening tab. Listen tab.
I am taking a webinar right
now. So you can see that the pronunciation is there. They will listen to it one time, multiple times, and also after listening to it, they can record their own voice. It requires a specific, setup, headphones and everything. So I'm just speaking it at this point of time to just show you how it works. So I'm just recording it, clicking on recording, and I'm going to speak it. I am taking a webinar right now. I just stop it, and now you can see that it also gives me a feedback. Now for the words which are highlighted in green, the pronunciation for those words is correct. Which is highlighted in green as well as yellow, for that I need a little improvement, and which is highlighted in red, I need more improvement in that. So overall score is 63, and I'm sure that you're all children, yours all pronunciation will be much better than me. So I'm going to play whatever I have recorded and motivate them to explore further. The skill set of student gets sharpened, it improves comprehension, they understand the correct pronunciation to be able to speak further. So there are a lot of animations, given here. So I'm going to show you. I'll show you the animation for the same chapter.
The cake thief. It was early in the morning. The people of the house had not yet woken up. Mickey Mouse said,
So I request everyone to please watch this small story, Cake Thief. Basis on that, we will have some interactive exercises today. So the purpose is not to, again, I'm not, teaching you. I'm not able to teach you since you all have got vast experience. I'm just showing you an example how effectively post showing the animation you can run interactive exercises and you can recapitulate what they have learned.
To his mother, Mama, these people are so kind. They leave such nice things in the kitchen for us to eat. With a twinkle in her eye, Mama Mouse said, "Well, I don't think they like us, Mitty. You are not to look about in the house alone. You think they are kind, but they may still try to catch you." Mitty didn't agree at all. He was quite sure he could take care of himself. Soon, Mama Mouse curled herself up for her afternoon nap. Mitty scampered into the kitchen, and there on the kitchen table was the most wonderful thing, a large cake with beautiful pink and white icing. Mitty licked his lips as he sniffed it. "I must taste this," and he started nibbling it. He didn't know he was nibbling away at little Miss Bluebell's birthday cake. Then he heard a sound. "Oh dear, that's Mama waking up." Off he ran and was back in the hole again. Mama Mouse sat rubbing her eyes. "Time for some food, Mitty. Let's go," she said. So Mitty and Mama scampered into the kitchen. When she saw the hole in the cake, she was annoyed.
So till now you have seen this story about Mitty Mouse and Mama. Now similarly you will now as soon as you are done with this story, showing this story to the children, then just to understand how much they have learned, with some quick questions, you can play these interactive exercises. Post showing the animated tutorials, once they have seen the whole chapter, they have seen you teaching the same chapter through PDF of the book. And after that, if you want to just understand, quickly summarize, or you want to just understand with some questions how much they have learned, so you can ask the questions to your children, and then they will be able to answer you easily based on the understanding. Answer me. If you have to make a question paper by selecting questions from, let's say, 2 prose and a poetry, and you have to prepare a question paper of, let's say, 20 marks or let's say 30 marks, and from the time of selecting the question till the time it is getting printed and is ready to be given to the students, how much time do you think it will take? Maybe in hours you can answer me that how many hours or how many minutes it will take. Accordingly you can answer me. 2 hours? Yeah, 1 hour? Yeah, 1 hour? Okay, okay. So, okay. So generally it is taking 1 hour, 2 hours, depending on your 30 minutes also. So there are people who are very fast at doing these assessments and all. So they can do it in 30 minutes as well. What if the selection process should only take 5 to 10 minutes, and you are able to create a question paper within 2 to 3 minutes? I'm sure it's going to save you time. It's going to reduce the burden as well. So I'll show you the test generator feature here. We have a test generator feature in which you will find the questions. So I'm just putting the school name, subject name, class, and you also have an option of uploading the school link you to the file wherein it is saved to the location. Make sure the file which you are uploading should be of 100 multiplied by 100 pixels. That should be, the logo should be revised in the 100 by 100 pixels. Then it will be, you will be able to upload it. And once you will upload it, you will, yeah, Jatin?
Sir, can you please reshare the screen because it's getting blurred?
Okay. Now, Jatin, is it clear to you?
Sir, it's bit blurred.
Please do let me know the screen is blurred to you. No blurred. Okay. Just use the chat option to let me know. Okay, some people are saying no and yes. I'm getting both the answers here. So I'll just do again. I'll just check it again. I'll share it again. Okay. Jatin, if you could please let me know now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to the same feature, test generator. There also you please let me know whether it is clear. And you'll upload the logo. You will get two features here. One, you have to make a selection. One is automatic, another is manual. So you can choose an automatic selection. The basic difference is in automatic, it will not show you the questions, but only the rubrics. Basis on that, you can select. And in manual, you will get to see the questions first, and then basis on that, you will be able to select the questions. In automatic, it will show you the question is at the later side, at the later part. So I'll show you the manual process first. Now you see the first interface wherein you have to select between two, whether you want to take the test paper or you want to create a worksheet. So you choose test paper. All the chapters in the topic are given with the same sequence. So you select let's say one chapter, two chapters or three chapters. Then you can go to the subtopics, questions based on about the passage, expand words, grammar, what all types of the subtypes of the same chapter you need to take. So either you select one or you select all. And based on difficulty level, there are different students in your class